In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create responsive buttons with auto layout in Figma. By the end, you'll have a button that automatically adjusts its width and height as the label changes, making it perfect for dynamic interfaces, translations, and consistent design systems. Start by creating your label. Select the Text tool by pressing T, click anywhere on the canvas, and type the word you want to use, like button. Set your font size and weight so it feels readable and confident, and center the text alignment. Centered alignment typically works best for buttons because it keeps the label balanced as it grows or shrinks. Think of this text as the source that drives the button's size. Next, convert that text into an auto layout frame. With the text layer selected, press Shift+A, or click the plus auto layout button in the right sidebar. Figma wraps the text in a frame with auto layout enabled. Rename the new frame to something clear like button to stay organized. Now your label lives inside a responsive frame, and as you edit the text, Figma will handle the resizing for you. Let's define how it should resize. In the right sidebar under Auto Layout, set Width to Hug Contents. This tells the frame to grow or shrink exactly with the text length. Set Height to Hug Contents as well, so the button isn't overly tall. Then dial in your padding. Increase horizontal padding, for example to 16, to control space on the left and right. Set vertical padding to around 8 or 10 for comfortable top and bottom spacing. These values ensure the button isn't cramped and maintains a reliable tap target. With a single text element inside, spacing between items isn't relevant here. Padding is what creates the button's shape. Now style the button. With the auto layout frame selected, add a fill color to create the background. Adjust the corner radius, around 6 to 8, for clean, rounded edges. If you want a bit of depth, add a subtle shadow. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the background for accessibility. All of this visual styling is independent of auto layout. The responsiveness comes from the sizing and padding you set, not the fills or effects. Finally, test the live responsiveness. Change the label to Continue, Next Step, or Sign Up, and watch the button instantly resize while keeping your padding intact. That's the core of responsive button design. It adapts without manual nudging, stays consistent across states, and scales gracefully as your content changes.